According to LinkedIn's 2026 India job report, UI UX designer is the third fastest growing job role in India with the starting average salary of 6 to 8 LPA. Mid-level salary with like 3 to 5 years of experience is 12 to 18 LPA, and senior level like with 5 plus years of experience, the salary ranges from 20 LPA to 35 LPA. Just this one skill. Now before you go ahead and start applying for that same job role with the same salary, let me tell you what's exactly happening in the job market right now. As of March 2026, Glassdoor has 2,400 and plus UX designer openings live in India. Just this one platform. LinkedIn shows 2,000 plus more job openings active right now. This is not a projection, it's happening right now. And the size of the UX design market globally, it was around $11.41 billion in 2025, and it is on the track to hit $22.6 billion by 2030. That means nearly doubling in the 5 years. Meanwhile, India's UI UX design market is growing over 15% just this year alone. That means UI UX design field is exploding. And you know the crazy part, 60% of UI UX designers do not hold a tech degree. They either come from commerce or come from arts or designing background. Some even switch from CA, teaching or HR into this UI UX designing field. So if UI UX design as a field excites you, then this video is for you. आज के वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं what UI UX designers actually do, real salaries in India and abroad, how to learn the UI UX designing skills in 4 to 6 months so that you become job ready, what are the different job roles in this that you can target, and where to actually get hired. So yes, this video is going to be a complete roadmap to become a UI UX designer in 2026. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. तो सबसे पहले बहुत सारे लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं, उन्हें लगता है कि UI और UX सेम होता है. So these roles are different but they are very much relatable. Let me explain it to you with very simple example. So you can open any application that you have in your phone. Let's take Swiggy for example. So UX is your user experience. That means how it feels. Like, is it easy to find restaurants? Can you filter your price quickly? Does checkout feel smooth to you? Do you feel frustrated or happy while using the application? So the UX designer's job role is to make the app easy, intuitive, and enjoyable to use. Now UI is the user interface. That means how it looks. The colors, fonts, button styles, icons, images and spacing, and the visual appeal of the application. Now UI UX designer's job role is to make the app beautiful, consistent and professional. I'll give you a real world comparison. Think of a restaurant. UX is the service, how quickly you get seated, how easy the menu is to understand, and how smooth the ordering process is. UI is the interior, how the restaurant looks, the decor, lighting and ambience, the menu card design. So both matter, both work together, and most companies hire UI UX designers who can do both. So when I say UI UX designer, I mean someone who designs how the application or website looks, that's the UI, and ensures that it is easy to use, that's the UX. Now comes the bigger question कि ये UI UX designers exactly करते क्या हैं? So I'll tell you the exact workflow that these UI UX designers follow. They meet with the product team, where the product team will have a requirement. For example, we need a new checkout flow for the application. Now, as a UI UX designer, you will be asking questions like who is using it, what's the goal, what problems are they facing? And then you work on the research part. You look at the competitor application, use behavior data. Then you do sketching. That means you draw rough layouts on paper or digitally. Further, you work on wireframing, creating basic structure in tools like Figma. Then designing it, like adding colors, fonts, or making it beautiful. Further, you show the designs to the team, get the feedback like the button is confusing or change this color, whatever the feedback is, and then you incorporate that feedback. Further, you iterate and improve on it. That's it. No coding, no complex mathematics, just designing and solving the real world problems. And the companies are desperate to hire good UI UX designer. क्यों? क्योंकि एक अच्छी design can either make or break the product. Think about it. Paytm and PhonePe both do the same thing, but PhonePe feels more easier because they have a better design. Zomato and Swiggy, there's very minimal difference in the restaurants, but Swiggy feels more smoother. Why? Because they have a better UX. So good design means more user, and more users means more revenue. That is the reason why companies are paying good 12 lakh to 25 lakhs to good designers. अब बात करते हैं सैलरी नंबर्स की. सो इंडिया में एज फ्रेशर विद 0 to 1 year of experience, अगर आप सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज जैसे TCS, इन्फोसिस, विप्रो में हो, सो यू कैन अर्न 3 LPA to 5.5 LPA. Then with product-based companies like Razorpay, Cred, Swiggy, the salary range is 6 LPA to 10 LPA. Then with startups that are funded, they have a salary range of 5 LPA to 8 LPA. Then design agencies, for example, Lollipop or Fractal, they have this salary range of 4 LPA to 7 LPA. As a junior designer with 3 years of experience, here is what you get in service-based companies, product-based companies, startup that are funded, and agencies. Similarly, a mid-level designer with 3 to 5 years of experience gets this salary in service-based companies, product-based companies, startups that are funded, and agencies. Here is the salary that you get in India as a senior designer with 5 to 8 years of experience. As a principal or design lead with 8 years of experience, here is the salary that you get. If you're working as a freelance UI UX designer in India, here is the income that you can expect. Now, talking about the international salaries, that means if you're working remotely with US or Europe companies. If you're working with the US companies remotely from India, here is the salaries that you can expect. And if you're working remotely with the European companies, here is the salary that you can expect. And yes, all these are real numbers. Sites like arc.f, Toptel connect Indian designers with the international clients. So point ये है कि ये कोई unicorn career नहीं है. Millions of people are doing it successfully. Now the question is, how do you get there? Now let's come to the learning roadmap that you can follow. अगर आप जीरो से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो हियर इज अ 3 to 6 months roadmap that you can follow. So first of all, you have to build the foundation. That means understanding the basics. What is UI UX, design thinking process, basic design principles like color, typography and spacing. यहाँ पर अगर आपको एक structured start चाहिए, then you can begin with the course like user experience, the beginner's guide by Interaction Design Foundation. ये beginners के लिए एक step by step clarity देता है कि UX exactly कैसे काम करता है in the real world. Then you have to learn the tools. Tool number 1 is Figma. This is the industry standard. Then you practice this tool by redesigning an existing application screen, creating simple buttons and icons, and making a mobile application mock-up. Then you move to building the real projects, and this is the most important stage. आपको सिर्फ videos consume नहीं करना है, सिर्फ सीखना नहीं है, practice भी करना है. Here are some project ideas that you can target. Project number 1 could be redesigning a poorly designed application. How you do it? So pick up an application that frustrates you, identify the problems, redesign 3 to 5 key screens, document why I changed X to Y. Project number 2 would be designing a new application which is imaginary. Example, a food delivery app for some home chefs. Research, wireframe and design. Create a full flow like sign up, browse, order and payment. Project number 3 could be designing a website. Example, portfolio website for a photographer, home page, gallery and contact page. Project number 4 could be a mobile app icon set. So you can design 10 to 15 application icons, show your visual design skills. Now where you can get these project ideas? One is Daily UI Challenge. Google it, you'll get 100 design prompts. Then you can check Behance and see what others are designing. And you can also check Dribbble for inspiration. By now you would have done 4 to 5 solid projects for your portfolio. Next month you'll be moving to polishing and portfolio. Now to build your portfolio website, use Behance. It is free and professional, or you can use Dribbble. This is neat, intuitive, but worth it. Further, you can also check Wix or Webflow. This creates custom portfolio site. Or Notion, this is very simple, clean portfolio page. Now, what all things you can include in your portfolio? So for each project, the cover image, which is a beautiful mock-up, problem statement, that what were you solving, your process like research, wireframe and design, then final designs, which is your high quality images, and explanation why you made design choices. Always prioritize quality over quantity. 4 excellent projects are far better than 10 mediocre projects. Now, once your professional portfolio is ready, we move to advanced skills and job preparation. So you can learn these advanced concepts like user research methods, usability testing, design system, prototyping and animations in Figma, accessibility in design. Examples of some more advanced projects could be complete design system for a brand, or interactive prototype which will have a clickable demo. Now where you can start applying for the jobs, I'm going to talk about that in the next section. Now how much are you going to spend in learning all these skills? So either you spend 0 rupees and look for content here and there and try to learn, or you spend 5,000 to 15,000 rupees in a paid course and get a structured learning. And यहाँ पर एक चीज समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर आप UI UX डिजाइनिंग सीरियसली परस्यू कर रहे हो तो सिर्फ टूल सीखना इनफ नहीं होगा. सो फिग्मा सीख लेना तो इजी है, UI बनाना भी इजी है, बट व्हाट इज डिफिकल्ट इज टू डेवलप द UX थिंकिंग. मतलब यूजर का बिहेवियर, डिसीजन मेकिंग और साइकोलॉजी समझना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड इट इज डिफिकल्ट ऑल्सो. एंड ऑनेस्टली ये चीज यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखकर बिल्ड नहीं होती है. तो अगर आपको भी स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में UI UX डिजाइनिंग सीखनी है, then I will recommend you to check out the amazing design courses by Interaction Design Foundation. And मैं personally इनके courses को recommend करना चाहूंगी because ये कोई नया platform नहीं है. They exist in the market from 2002. मतलब इनको 20+ years of experience है in design education. इनकी community बहुत strong है. 1,50,000 designers globally connected है. मतलब आपको सिर्फ courses नहीं मिलते, you get a whole community and whole ecosystem. ये लोग local meetups और design events organize करते रहते हैं. मतलब आप सिर्फ ऑनलाइन चीजें सीखते नहीं हो, बल्कि यू ऑल्सो गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू नेटवर्क विद डिजाइनर्स. कोर्सेज का लेवल भी काफी सॉलिड है, लाइक बिगिनर से लेकर एडवांस तक स्ट्रक्चर्ड पाथ फॉर UX, UI, डिजाइन थिंकिंग, साइकोलॉजी सब कुछ कवर होता है. अब कोर्सेज की बात करें तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. आपको यहाँ पर काफी स्ट्रक्चर्ड और हाई क्वालिटी कोर्सेज मिलते हैं, like become a UX designer from scratch, user experience, the beginner's guide, UI design patterns for successful software, ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर इंटरैक्शन, डिजाइन थिंकिंग, द अल्टीमेट गाइड। अगर आप जनरली सीरियस हो यूआई यूएक्स डिजाइन में करियर बनाने के लिए, देन आप IXGF को नंबर 1 स्ट्रक्चर्ड लर्निंग रिसोर्स कंसिडर कर सकते हो। इनफैक्ट इनके पास वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट यूएक्स डिजाइन रिसोर्स लाइब्रेरी है which is free and it is created by experts। इसके लिए आप ixgf.org/library चेकआउट कर सकते हो। और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्टर्स कोर्सेज वर्ल्ड्स टॉप प्रैक्टिशनर और एक्सपर्ट्स ने डिजाइन किए हैं, इंक्लूडिंग पीपल फ्रॉम कंपनीज लाइक गूगल एंड अडोबी, लाइक डॉन नॉर्मन, पर्सन हु लिटरली कॉइन्ड द टर्म यूजर एक्सपीरियंस, एंड ऑल्सो बेंच नडर्मल जैसे पायनीज का भी इन्फ्लुएंस है इनके कंटेंट में। कोर्सेज कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलते हैं व्हिच काइंड ऑफ बिल्ड्स योर क्रेडिबिलिटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द रिक्रूटर्स। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, इट इज सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड, सो आप एक बार सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो and you can access multiple courses and it is completely self-paced, that means you learn at your own time। and एक चीज जो मुझे पर्सनली बहुत अच्छी लगी, IXGF का अपना खुद का जॉब बोर्ड भी है, मतलब आप लर्न भी वहीं कर रहे हो, नेटवर्क भी वहीं बिल्ड कर रहे हो और जॉब्स भी वहीं डिस्कवर कर रहे हो। एंड स्पेशली अगर आप रिमोट जॉब्स टारगेट कर रहे हो तो दिस जॉब बोर्ड इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। सो आई वुड रेकमेंड कि डेफिनेटली आप इनके कोर्सेज को चेकआउट करो, लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया है। अब बात करते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में कौन कौन से जॉब रोल्स हैं जिनको आप टारगेट कर सकते हो। सो UI UX designing is not just one job role, it has multiple specializations। Let's break it down। So the first job role is UI designers। Here is what you do and here are the skills needed to be a UI designer। This is best for people who love aesthetics, details and pixel perfect designs। The salary ranges are 6 to 18 LPA depending on your experience। The next job role is UX designer। This is research and strategy focused। Here is what you do and here are the skills needed to be a UX designer। This is best for people who love understanding the user behavior and analytics। And the salaries that you can expect in India are 7 LPA to 20 LPA depending on your experience। The third role is UI UX designer and it's a hybrid role। Here is what you do and this is best for beginners because most companies hire for this role only। The salary ranges are around 6 LPA to 22 LPA। The next job role, which is a senior role, is that of a product designer। Here is what you do and here are the skills needed to be a product designer। This is best for experienced designers with 3 to 5 years of experience। The salary ranges in India are between 13 LPA to 35 LPA। The next job role is UX researcher। This is research specialist। Here is what you do and here are the skills needed to be a UX researcher। This is best for people who love psychology and data and the salary ranges in India are from 8 LPA to 25 LPA। The next job role is of an interaction designer। Here is what you do and here are the skills needed to be an interaction designer। This is best for people who are creative and detail oriented and the salaries in India that you can expect are between 8 LPA to 20 LPA। The next job role is UX writer। Here is what you do, here are the skills needed to be a UX writer। This is good for people who love writing as well as designing। The salary ranges in India are from 6 LPA to 18 LPA। The next job role is of a freelance UI UX designer। Here is what you do, here are the platforms that you can use to look for jobs as a freelance UI UX designer and here are the earnings that you can expect। अब सारी skills तो आपने अच्छे से सीख ली, अब आपको जॉब कहाँ से मिलेगी? So let's talk about the platform where you can get hired। So number 1 platform is LinkedIn where you can look for the jobs। Here is the strategy that you can follow। Next platform is naukri.com। Here is the strategy that you can follow। Specifically UI UX job roles target कर रहे हो तो आप Interaction Design Foundation का job board भी check out कर सकते हो। ये globally UI UX design job roles के लिए one of the largest platforms है। They have dedicated design roles, that means कोई random listing नहीं है। आपको beginner से लेके senior हर level के job openings दिख जाएंगे and especially अगर आप remote UI UX designing job roles target कर रहे हो तो आप IXGF check out करना बिल्कुल miss out नहीं कर सकते हो। Platform number 4 is for startups। This is AngelList। Here is the strategy that you can follow। Platform number 6 are the design specific job boards like Cofolio। This has design jobs in India, IGA design jobs and Dribble jobs। Platform number 7 could be directly going to the company pages that hire designers, so you can make a list of 7-8 companies that specially hire designers। You can visit at their career pages and apply directly from there। Next, it's not a platform but referrals। It definitely works and this has the highest success rate। Here is the strategy that you can follow to ask for referrals। Now, if you want to search for jobs as a freelancer, then here are the platforms that you can target। Next, you can of course do cold emailing। You can hunt for HR contacts from the companies who hire designers and आप इनको cold email कर सकते हो। This is the strategy and template that you can follow। Another platform is InstaHire। Here is again a strategy that you can follow for InstaHire। I would also like to talk about some common mistakes that you should avoid while you are preparing or looking for a job as a UI UX designer and some pro tips। First mistake is getting stuck in tutorial hell। मतलब आप सीख तो बहुत सारी चीज रहे हो but actually practice कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ videos ही देख रहे हो। Mistake number 2 is copying designs। आप inspiration लो, that is fine, but design your own solutions। Mistake number 3 is no context in the portfolio। मतलब you are showing beautiful designs but you are not explaining why। So for each project, write problem, research, solution and the impact। Mistake number 4 is ignoring UX and only doing the UI। So you're trying to make things look pretty but you are not thinking about the usability. Last mistake is waiting for the perfect portfolio to apply for jobs. Perfect portfolio का wait करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can start applying the day you feel like you've already learned. Some tips that you can follow to be a better designer: participate in daily UI challenge, redesign popular applications, write about your processes, join the design communities, follow top designers, and freelance while you are learning. Here is the tools ecosystem which you will actually use. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Alright, let's wrap the video. But before I end the video, I want to tell that UI UX designing is one of the best careers in 2026. I'll tell you why. It is very high in demand, it has great pay, no coding is needed, creative and problem solving work, remote friendly, and फ्रीलांसिंग पोटेंशियल इज ऑल्सो ह्यूज. सो आई होप अगर आप UI UX डिजाइनिंग फील्ड एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो, या आप इस फील्ड में एंटर करना चाहते हो, या आप करियर स्विच करना चाहते हो, तो आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन. ऐसी कोई और वीडियोस चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट करके आप बता देना. वीडियो को शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो डालूँ. तो थैंक यू सो मच.